Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about helping your veterinary practice attract, engage, and retain clients. Broadcasting a new podcast every Monday from sunny Southern California, here's your host, Brandon Bashirs.
Hey there, everybody. Welcome to episode number 187 and a half of the Veterinary Marketing Podcast. In this episode, I'm going to give you a quick tip that will help you to get more done with your marketing, specifically with building out content, making videos, making pretty much any kind of content that you're doing, whether it's ads or blogs or whatever it is. So it's going to be very helpful and very short and to the point. It's about a tool. So before we begin, though, just wanted to make sure that you knew about the Veterinary Marketing Nerds Facebook group. You should totally head on over there. Request to join. It's free if you go to facebook.com/groups/the Veterinary Marketing Nerds. So today's tip that I wanted to give you was that if you are constantly making content or you want to up your content game, whether it's with videos, whether it's with seriously anything, there's a tool that's called Envato Elements. Envato is a resource that graphic designers and pretty much creatives put out content on there. And as with the membership to Envato Elements, you can basically have access to this huge library of different kinds of like vectors and images and stock photos and stock sounds and stock effects. And so it doesn't matter what you're doing. They have video, audio, ad images. They got templates. They have tons of stuff that is very helpful that allows you to produce higher quality content, and you don't have to go and make everything on your own. It's only $29 a month too. So if you're looking to up your content game, and I mean, they have everything. It's really cool. If you use Adobe Premiere Pro, for example, they have Premiere Pro elements that you can use and graphics to make your videos look better and lower thirds and just all kinds of really cool stuff. And with the membership, you get access to all of their stuff that's available there. It's huge. They have just tons and tons and tons of stuff that as a digital marketer, especially if you're creating content, it's going to help you out a ton. So go check it out. It's elements.envato.com. This isn't sponsored. I actually use it and pay for it myself. I just find it really helpful. And so I thought you would enjoy that too. Be sure to subscribe to the podcast, and I will see you on next week's episode. Have a great one, everybody. Bye.